Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm unboxing a few not so perfect sets. So normally you have to call and order them, but they had them online. So I ordered the $50 bundle and the $100 bundle. That's the value, not the price I paid for it, because they are discounted. But I've been seeing a lot of people are super disappointed in their boxes and what they've been getting. So let's take a look inside. I've seen a lot of the boxes are just like filled with Wicked bath bombs and candles. And don't get me wrong, those are good products, but I don't want a whole box of them because that's what they sent me before. And some people have been getting like freebie codes, so let's take a look. Oh, well, let's see here. Okay, so I just double checked. All that I got was the $50 bundle, which I only paid $21.95 for, and then the $100 value bundle I paid $41.95. Plus there should be a free ring in here for my birthday. So I could tell there's already a variety, so that's really good. So we have one of the strawberry ones, the chocolate covered strawberries, which is a cool bath bomb. There's the cucumber and sage spa collection. So it's got the salt in it on top. One of the fairy tale ones, this is the mermaid one. Has like soap embeds on top of that. Which one is this? Not so perfect. That's actually not ringing a bell. It almost looks like a queen of diamond, but the color's off. Let's see if it says under here what it is. Oh, pink champagne. I don't think I ever did that one on my channel. It's like one of the very few I haven't done. So that's kind of interesting. I'll probably just throw a bunch of these in a bathtub at once to do bath art. And then the, which one is this? The cozy one? Warm and cozy, I think. Huh, so that was a good variety. Got one of each of those. And then let's take a look at the candles. Not seeing my ring in here unless it's in one of the boxes. It's a Wicked candle. This really does smell good though. I like the Wicked ones a lot. But it seems like everyone's getting this, or else the May candle, or like a different birthstone one. So I could tell when I was unwrapping it that that's what that was. I could smell it. Now the question is, are these all Wicked candles? I got a really good bundle because I got a Wicked unicorn candle. And again, this is one I haven't reviewed on my channel. Very cool glass container. Very excited for the variety, because that's what I heard other people saying. You know, I ordered it because there's supposed to be a better variety, and a lot of people were not getting a variety. I definitely probably got the best that I've seen so far. So let's take a look at what this last candle is. So the last one was another Wicked. So I think that that was a good variety. Got two of the same candle, but then I also got a regular Wicked and 5 different bath bombs, which is awesome. And I rechecked all the plastic, and my freebie ring was in there, just kind of wrapped on top with all the stuff that I pulled out. So definitely make sure you check the plastic bubble wrap. Didn't get any additional codes, but I'm okay with that because I got a great variety. This ring is really cool. There's only a few to choose from for my birthday. And I love that shade of blue. Actually, they give me a 9. They do that a lot. So I always put in 6, but obviously when they're turned upside down, 6, 9. So I did get it too big, but I can wear it on my middle finger. Very pretty ring. Very awesome. So that's what I got, guys. I haven't been posting as many ring reveals lately. We had a lot going on, and then I got sick, kind of had a sinus infection and whatnot. All that fun stuff. So I'll start trying to get on my regular schedule here. But thank you for your patience, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.